Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on my BMX. Connor, will you like to show it? It's my BMX, it's a Social Mark. So the drivetrain is on the right, and that's a personal option for me there. I've got plastic pedals. They're cheap and they don't hurt when you bang your head in them. Not your head, your feet on them. I've got a Hailing chain, which is stronger, but it's also personal. My cassette is, what's it called?
A Z coaster.
Yeah, it's a Z coaster. My seat is a fat seat, but it's a pivoted seat. And it can't move from pivoted, so I've got ODI grips and they're very soft. I've got a matte yellow frame and the bike's carbon fibre. I've got Social clutches, which are basically brakes. I've got Alienation brakes.
What about your bar ends? Are they just stock?
They're just stock, but these are ODI grips. The oil guard, which no longer has it because when I took it off because it looked stupid. It did have a bell, but I took that off. Reflectors I keep on because I don't just ride it on a BMX track.
And she's taking a
Yeah.
moment to find.
The stump pegs,
Which have been removed.
yes, are metal or aluminium. You have to stand up and have the seat as low as possible, as long as it's not scraping against the wheel. Purchase stump pegs. I recommend aluminum ones. Get a hoodie, which could be Monster or DC or Red Bull. Or you can have t-shirts the same. If these are just some tips to look awesome on it. Put have a hat which is like DC or Los Angeles or Monster or DC. I think I said that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Oh, and one more thing. My headset here. Get a picture of it.
Picture.
No, not that. That's my clamp. Get my headset.
Yeah. Okay.
You got that bit there.
Yep.
It's social.
Yep.
So pretty much it's all social, apart from the rims and the handle grips.
What about your I like your walls, like your yellow or light browny walls. So yeah.
See, how long is the video?
1 minute.
Right, pause it.